Okay, welcome to the all-new Ultimate Exit Pop-Up 2014. What we did basically was we took a tool that had been online for a good number of years. It was a desktop application. We took it and we modified it, we improved it, and we've turned it into a service online. And I'm going to walk you through what we have here. Here's some basic features within this tool. One of the best parts of it is there's zero installation. You never have to install a tool in any way, shape, or form. There's one single line of code that has to go on your web pages. Very easy. We'll show you how to copy and paste and put that in place. You can update the output that this tool sets up on your web pages anytime you want without having to change the web page in any way, shape, or form. You can change the pop-up copy anytime you want, and you can change the destination web page anytime you want. Now, with the Ultimate Exit Pop-Up, as we're launching it, we're also going to allow you to use this on an unlimited number of domains. No limit on the number of web pages that you can use it on. And you can have an unlimited number of exit pop-ups within all of those pages. Okay? Basically, you will have complete control over the exit pop-ups that you're able to use within your marketing. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you, we also have a few things that we are rolling out right now, and these will come out over the next kind of month to 6 months. We'll be adding audio to this tool because it is good. You're showing people this web page, you're telling them they need to stop, they need to stay where they are. That's one message. We're going to kind of double what we're doing for folks and add the audio to it as well, so you can speak to them as well as show them what you want. This can be, we'll have pre-installed audios as well as give you the ability to add your custom audios if you want. We'll have iframes that will work over the pop-up pages, and that will let us show an additional image over the pop-up page. We'll be tracking your exit pop-ups because you do need to know what's going on within your website at all times. And part of the iframe element will, as that goes into place, will let us show pop-ups over other people's websites, and this will be an absolutely awesome element. And there's even more that we will do here. So let's take a quick look at this tool. I have another video that you can watch really quickly, and you'll see me set up a pop-up, put it in place, and see just how easy it is. Okay, we're going to do a super fast walkthrough of how to use the Ultimate Exit Pop-Up tool. Okay, I'm not going to have a lot of explanation on simple elements within this because we have other videos that cover that. Okay, so all we're going to do, we're going to add a pop-up to our test account here. So we add a message. Don't have any set up, so we'll add a new message. I'm going to use one of our sample messages here. This is the message that will pop up on the page. And this is the page to which we'll take people when they stay on the page. And I have some of these already set up that we'll use. All I need to do here is copy this code. I'm on a Mac, so I hold down Command and C, and that's copied. Now I need to put this into my web page. Okay? This is a very simple web page I have set up. I look at the source for the page. I need the closing body tag. It's right down here, okay, towards the bottom of the page. I'm going to paste this in. I hold down Command and V, and it's pasted in. Going to save this page. The script is now in here. To FTP this back into place. Again, I'm using Fetch. This is a tool that an FTP client on a Mac. There are free ones as well and other paid ones for PCs and Macs. We'll put this page into place. And that's done. So now let's go take a look at that page. This is the page as it sat before. The two ways you can kick off the Ultimate Exit Pop-Up is by reloading the page. It's basically by leaving the page. So you can reload it or you can close it here. Okay, I'm going to reload it. And initially there was no pop-up in place. Now there is one sitting in the background. Okay, so I can reload it again. Let's close the page. Okay, So when I go to close this page, here's my pop-up. Okay, I'm going to stay on this page because I have to. There are awesome things it's going to provide for me. So I stay on the page, and it takes me to the thank you page that I had set up. Okay, thank you very much, and look forward to working with you using the Ultimate Exit Pop-up. Okay, now there are a few questions and answers that revolve around this tool that I like to jump ahead and answer for you. And some of these have come off of users in the past and current users of the new tool. This is an online tool, so one of the questions becomes, will this tool be around in a few years? The answer to that is yes. We first started selling this tool back in 2007, so it's been going for 7 years right now. And the bottom line is, yes, it will stick around. It's not going anywhere. The next question that comes up is, can I add images to my exit pop-ups? And that's always a question folks want. And with the exit pop-ups, unfortunately, the answer is no. This is a technology that's built into most browsers, and it was put in place really for the banking industry. It was to make sure that when people tried to leave a page or tried to activate something on the page, it would ask them, is this what you want? So that they didn't buy things they didn't want to buy, and they didn't transfer money they didn't want to transfer. So we've worked with that to create the Ultimate Exit Pop-up at the same time as we get some of the iframe elements in place that may give you the ability to add some images to your page or to your pop-up. The next question that comes up is, can I sell the use of this service to others? Good question. Right now the answer is no. In the future we will set up a reseller option, but that is not in place yet, and we are asking all of our users to please work with us on this. We want to make a better and better tool. I showed you some of the improvements that we have in line. We also want to hear what our end users would like to see, and we'll get those in place. And as those come into place, we will also set up a resellers option for our users. And then the last question that we'll address right now is, how do I deal with active links within a page? Because basically the exit pop-up is kicked off when you leave the page in some way, shape, or form. So that can be done by reloading the page, can be done by closing the page, or you can hit a link on a page to leave it. So what we've done is we've supplied some code that you can add to any active links within a web page that will eliminate that link from activating the exit pop-up. That's in the members area. Okay. Next question. I say, so what is next? What we've done is we've got a special relaunch price to kick this system off. This tool has been selling for $67 for years now. And what we've done is, as it says here, we're knocking that price off by about 75% for this initial launch, which is fantastic. I am going to point out the price will go up. We are marketers. We are selling a product. We want to introduce lots of people to this great product, but at the same time, we have a product that we want to sell, and we feel there's a value to this product, so the price will go up. So what I urge you to do now is go ahead, click the button below, register for your copy of the Ultimate Exit Pop-up, and start using it. Take advantage of this initial relaunch price. Thank you very much.